Whether your CMMS is Mainsaver, Maximo, Infor, SAP, whatever the case might be, we can link it into TK Pro, whether that's by utilizing a select query to reach out to the database and grab all the pertinent information for our work orders, or if we have the CMMS database dump information out to a flat file and have TK Pro read that information. Either way it goes, with TK Pro, we can utilize the CMMS link by going up to our CMMS icon up here and choosing Open Work Orders. And this will go ahead and grab out all the information for our work orders that are out there. From here, you can see that we have different filterings that we can search from. It's all based on these different columns that you see inside the application, whether it's the work order number, a piece of equipment's name, or even just the task. So once we've identified which particular work order we're looking for, we can right-click on that, and then from there, we can go into any of the different modules, permit modules that TK Pro has. So in this instance, we're going to go ahead and choose Lockout Tagout. And then from here, you'll see that once we get into the Create screen, it's going to automatically populate our asset information and our task based on that work order that we chose. And then in this section right here, you can see that we have two approved procedures, two standards or templates that we can create our permits from. Once we've identified those approved procedures, we can now select the Create button and continue creating our permits.